Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix or how to verify your identity on Cash App without ID. So guys, if you want to verify your identity on Cash App without ID, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, if Cash App won't let you verify your identity, you are not alone. In 2026, many users are facing this issue and it can be frustrating, especially when your money is involved. The reason is simple. Cash App is required to follow financial regulations. Once you reach certain limits, the app asks you to verify your identity to prevent fraud and keep transactions secure. This actually includes your name, date of birth, and sometimes a government issued ID. Now, many people ask, can you verify your identity on Cash App without an ID? The truth is, not completely. You might be able to use the app with limited features, but to unlock full access, ID verification is almost always required. Any shortcut claiming to bypass this is risky and could get your account restricted. If your verification keeps failing, the issue is often small but important, like blurry photos, incorrect details, or even using a VPN. To fix this, make sure your information matches exactly, take clear photos in good lighting, and avoid anything that might confuse the system. In the end, there is no real way around verification, but if you do it properly, the process is quick, safe, and worth it. Once verified, you can use Cash App without limits or interruptions. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.